want to talk to you guys really quick, man. Thinking about starting a little KD confession thing. I actually had this on my main channel a few years back, and absolutely love just cutting on the camera, just speaking from the heart. No editing, no nothing. So y'all literally getting the raw dog, unedited version, just, you know, straight out of the horse's mouth, I guess. That is a crazy way of thinking about things. But I was thinking about something, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just put it out there. I think that a lot of us are failing in life. Failing. Because we're so confrontational. We always want to be right. We always want to get the last word. No matter where you go, no matter who you talk to, no matter who it is, where it does not matter. You take that same energy with you every single place that you go. Some of us are in our late 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, even 60s, failing in life. Failing when it comes to business, failing when it comes to relationships, failing at almost every aspect of your life. Because you have allowed yourself to believe that you know it all. And you don't. And a lot of y'all need to shut up and listen. You got one mouth and two ears. You got two ears for a reason. You should be listening more than you're speaking. Especially if you're not getting the results that you want in life. It amazes me how people out here got so much to say about all of these different topics, and you look at their life like, yo fam, when I look at your life, you're speaking about relationships. When's the last time you've actually been in a healthy relationship? Let alone something that has actually lasted a decent time. Failing. You got a lot to say when it comes to business, but yet you have not grown or never grown a business from the ground up. You haven't helped outside of working a freaking day job. Like, you have no results, but got the most to say when it comes to these conversations. It's so weird to me. I don't understand it. Like, do they not get it? Do you not see the freaking bigger picture? Are you not understanding? Are you not comprehending? Like, fam, maybe you should fall back. Maybe you should be that person in the back that's doing more listening than speaking. And so, I used to be that guy. I'm gonna keep it a band with you. I used to be that guy. I used to be that guy that I thought that I knew it all. I did. I tried to push certain things on certain people, like, man, listen, I know what I'm talking about. You know what I mean? And if it comes to it, you know what I'm saying, I'll be a little aggressive with it if I have to in order to get my point across. You know what I'm saying? Listen, I mean what I say what I mean. Just ignorant, just dumb. Dumber than a box of rocks. Didn't know what the flip I was talking about, but had the most to say. Was the loudest in the room, the most ignorant in the room as well. Didn't have any results. But again, when asked, I'm gonna run my doggone mouth. And I'm right. I'm right even when I'm wrong. And I will argue you down. I will sit there, we can go back and forth all day, all night, whether it be on the internet, face to face, I don't care. We can go there. If that's what you want to do, like, let's do it. Let's do it, fam. And where did I land up? Where did that get me? We can go down the list. Lost friends, lost contact with, you know, some family members, lost out on a lot of business opportunities. A lot of business opportunities. Just ignorant, loud and ignorant. Homeless. That's where your mouth is gonna get you. Broke. Without relationships. Losing out on so much because you got so much to say. You got to be right. Losing your freedom. Missing out on a lot of different things. Not just opportunities. Not just opportunities. But a lot of things, a lot of firsts. A lot of things that you wish you could get back, but you can't. And you ain't got nobody else to blame but yourself. Close your mouth and open up your ears. It's that simple for a lot of people. Close your mouth and open up your ears and listen. And you might learn something. That's something that I had to learn the hard way. That's something that a lot of y'all need to learn. And it's unfortunate because life has thrown so much at you to try to get you to open your eyes, close your mouth, and open up your ears and understand you are the reason why you are in the situation that you're in right now. And the only person that can get you out is the one that's running their damn mouth every day to everybody. Shut up. Shut up and listen. Shut up and pay attention. I promise you, if a lot of y'all just shut up, buckle down, listen, get with a mentor, get with a coach, get with somebody that's going to hold you accountable and that's going to hopefully steer you in the right direction. See, the issue is with all of that, before we even get to this point, the problem is you. You are the problem. And you can also be your solution. You can also be that solution. And honestly, I think that, and it's unfortunate, a lot of y'all are going to live your entire lives with holding on and dying on their heel. Holding on to, can't nobody tell me nothing, I'm always right, and you're going to die on that heel. Because of, and it's unfortunate, man, because honestly, I want everybody to freaking win. I would absolutely love to wake up, look up one day, and everybody be successful. Everybody get to the bag. Everybody get whatever it is that they want in life. Like, bro, y'all don't understand, man, like what that does to me to see other people win. Like, I was watching this content creator today. A young lady, I'm not sure what her name is, but her name is on YouTube. It's is it DoorDash or something like that? I think it's like DoorDash or something. But this young lady has been doing DoorDash, I'm thinking, for years. Been posting on YouTube for years. Been making minimum, I mean little to no money. And look, she put all of this stuff out here, and I got so much respect for people that don't mind being transparent. Those people are so freaking humble. This young lady, she seems like she's so humble. I don't know her personally, but just based on the content that I consume, the things that I've seen, man, like people, individuals like her that don't mind being open and being honest and being vulnerable about where they are. You know, she was basically saying, you know, I do DoorDash, you know, I'm working sometimes 18 hours out of the day, delivering, you know, food, groceries, whatever, to make ends meet. You know, for the last few months, my rent has been late. I've been paying my rent on the 15th and 16th, and I don't know if her rent's supposed to be on the 1st or the 3rd, but I know most of the time that's what it is, the 1st, 3rd, or maybe even the 5th. I don't really know too many places that I've lived in where it's been anything outside of that. So, you know, she was basically just being on there, being transparent about where she was, and man, my heart honestly just went out to her, man. Like, she was literally on there crying when she got on YouTube one day and she posted a video. No editing, no nothing. Just telling you, you know, if you're pretty, if you got this going on or whatever, like, just jump on YouTube. Like, a lot of people are making revenue and this, that. And she was so excited for other people. Like, she didn't even realize it, but she was adding so much value into over 300,000 people watched her video, and she was a content creator that had less than 1,000 subscribers. She posted another video shortly after that That did another 300,000. And then I guess somebody got down in our comment section like, you need to monetize your channel. You know what I mean? Like, I'm guessing by this time you're over 1,000 subscribers. Go ahead and monetize that thing. So she monetized it. You know, she went through all the steps or whatever. And this young lady seen what her ongoing revenue was. Ongoing meaning, you know, the money just kept adding up. She looked at it and she seen $1,000. She had so much freaking joy in her heart, y'all. It was so freaking beautiful to watch, man. Again, I absolutely love to see people win, especially people that are out here grinding their butts off each and every day, no matter what, man. Odds are stacked against you. You know, everything in your life seems like it's not going in your favor, but you continue to wake up each and every day. You shut up, you listen, you put your head down, you grind, you do what you need to do in order to get to where you want to be. And she said, God told me to put that, just put it out there. I know you're going through some things, just put it out there. Put that energy out there. She went from less than 1,000 subscribers to hitting 1,000, 2,000. Next thing you know, she's making over $1,000, $1,100 when she checked the first time on her YouTube channel. The next time she checked, it was around like, I don't know if it was 3,000 or 5,000. And again, this girl is literally like on edge for like just tears, just bawling down. Like, y'all don't understand. Like, this is more money than I've gotten. Like, I'm not used to this type. Y'all might be, but I'm not used to this. And it went 6,000. And then she posted, you know, last month she did like 6,000. The next month she did like 7,000, 8,000. And then she just put another video out where she's $9,000. Come on, man. She kept working. She kept grinding. She kept pushing. She kept moving forward. She kept a positive attitude. She did what she had to do, and it paid off. And I'm telling y'all, man, shut up. Shut up. And I know it sounds harsh. I know it do. But I'm going to be honest with y'all. A lot of people honestly need to hear that. Again, you got people that's older than me, that still think that they need to be in these doggone talking and just doing the most and spitting out so much freaking negativity, so much bad information. And like, y'all are literally poisoning everybody around you. You're poisoning the next generation. You're poisoning yourself. Put it down. Put down that poison. Shut up. Stop running your mouth, man. I want to honestly see y'all succeed, man. And sometimes you got to put the doggone candy inside of the medicine. Everybody is not gonna like it. Yeah, I know. It don't taste good. A lot of people don't want to hear those words, but some people need to hear it. A lot of y'all need to hear it, because we've been trying to hold your hand for the longest, be nice, talk to you nice, talk to you with some respect. It's not getting through. For the most part, it's not getting through to a lot of y'all. Because look at, a lot of y'all are older. You're older now. People tried to be nice when you were younger. You didn't get it. You didn't get it. And so, it's a reason why you are hearing this video right now. It's a reason why you clicked on this video right now. It's a reason why you're hearing this. And what you can do with this, you can take this message and be better. Or you can be bitter. You can be in the comments and you can say, I don't like the way that you're saying. I don't like the way that you're talking. I disagree with the tone. Is the message right? Do you need to shut your mouth, grind, put forth that effort and all of those things in order to get to where you want to be in life? Because what most people are currently doing is not working for them. Something has to change. Again, man, I wanna see in the next 5 to 10 years, man, I wanna have a group of people around me that are succeeding in life, in every aspect of life. Every aspect, everything that you want. can honestly be obtained in some way, shape, form, or fashion. You just got to find a way to get there. You got to put yourself around winners, around people that's succeeding and winning in life. People that's putting out that type of energy each and every day. Like, listen, bro, I might not be there right now, but my mindset, the mindset that I have, I'm going to keep grinding until I get there. I'm not going to be bitter about this thing. I'm not going to be out here speaking and talking and doing the doggone most when I don't know I don't really know too much. I'm going to listen. I'm going to take notes. I'm going to get me a coach. I'm going to get me a mentor. I'm going to start watching content on YouTube that's beneficial for me. I'm going to start watching content on YouTube that's going to hold me accountable when I'm effing up, when I'm messing up, when I need to do better. I'm going to put myself around people that's going to hold me accountable. That's going to keep me pushing, moving towards those goals no matter what. Whatever the case may be, come hell and high water, fam, at the end of this doggone race, I promise you, I'm going to be exhausted because I'm going to give this thing everything I got. Every 24 hours. Every time that you get out of that bed in the morning, you should be striving towards greatness, trying to be better. Be better than the person you were yesterday. You're not competing with anybody else. You're competing with you. You want to be a better version of you tomorrow. It's in you. Listen, we were not put on this earth to be mediocre, to be average. You were put on this earth to be better. Inspire the next generation. Inspire the next person that's beside you. That's why you're here. Inspire somebody. Anyway, guys, again, man, hopefully we're able to do more videos like this, man. I absolutely love to have these type of conversations. I used to love to see the comments and stuff down below. Again, there's always going to be some people that, you know, this message rubs the wrong way, and I understand that. But now we have your attention, which is honestly the purpose of this. Now we have your attention. Now let's get the work done. Now let's get it done. You here now. Let's go ahead and put that doggone, let's take that first step. What does that first step look like now? We got your attention now. Whether you're pissed off, you don't like it, or whether you agree, we got your attention now. Let's go ahead and put forth that effort, man. Let's take that first step. It's on you. The ball is in your court now. What you gonna do with that thing? All right, man, listen, my mama, I'll be done ranting for another 15 minutes. Thank you guys so much, man. I appreciate y'all. Y'all don't realize how much being on this platform has honestly shaped and changed my life. I thank God each and every day for just being able to do what I do, being able to run into some of the people, being able to meet some of the people that I've met through this YouTube journey, you know, through the consultations, the different, you know, business meetings, the emails, the face-to-face interactions. When I tell you, it literally blows my mind just to kind of, you know, just go outside the body for a second and just like, yo, bro, I cannot believe you're sitting here shaking hands with this person. I can't believe that, you know, you have millions of people watching your videos, millions of people commenting up under your videos, interacting with people from all over the world, collabing with all of these different brands, man. A kid that came from a small city of Rock Hill, South Carolina, country, out here changing the world one video at a time. It's a beautiful thing, man. Again, man, y'all, thank you guys so much, man. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful.